Now we drove from Granada to Seville. Now we're in the Three Kings Parade, where candies come flying out of the sky. The parade started with police on horses, followed by the three kings on horses. Their names were Melchior, Caspar, and Balthazar. In Spain, the kids are more excited about Three Kings Day than Christmas, because kids get presents on Three Kings Day, like baby Jesus. Kids get toys, and Jesus got gold, frankincense, and myrrh. We made it to the front row of the parade. There are lots of floats with kids on them. The kids were throwing candies at our heads. Ouch! We caught lots of candies, and we picked up lots more off the ground. There are lots of candy falling from the sky too. Beside the beautiful floats with kids and candy, there were also marching bands. They had trumpets and large drums. As they're marching in the parade, people are singing along and dancing. Hey-oh, 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 hey-oh. Usually after marching bands, there is a big crowd of people dressed up as three kings. They give out even more candy. Good thing they don't put candy on your heads. It was a long parade. The parade went around Seville for about 4 hours. We had so much fun we decided to go see it again at night after our siesta. The floats looked different at night with them all lit up with colorful lights. Guess what? We got more candy thrown at our heads. We can't believe that the kids had candy left and energy to keep throwing them at our heads. Hard candy is all they throw. They hurt. All the kids kept yelling, "Aquí, aquí, aquí." It means here, here. Zara also joined in. Aquí, aquí. There are some smart kids. They did not bring bags like everyone else. They brought an umbrella. They hold it upside down to collect candy and protect their heads. Zara felt so special that one of the kids gave her a handful of sugar-covered Twizzlers directly to her. See her hand off. This is the end of the parade. So much candy on the ground. We tried to save as much as possible, but most of the candies were stepped on and drove over. Too bad for the tires.
Don't trip all over my